If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. As mentioned in the previous lesson, you can switch the charted display of the series and the categories in a chart by using the Select Data Source dialog box in Excel. Alternatively, to switch charting the column values and row values in an Excel chart, click the Switch Row/Column button in the Data button group on the Chart Design Contextual tab in the ribbon. Each time you click this button, Excel toggles the charted data series between the rows and the columns in the chart's currently selected data source cell range. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.